Find or read reviews that people are talking about Airzentti 155 Pints Commercial Dehumidifier for basement with pump and drain hose. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Commercial grade dehumidifier. This Airzentti crawl space dehumidifier with large capacity removes moisture from basement, attic, large room and small rooms efficiently up to 155 pints per day under nearly saturated condition, 70 ppd in AHAM, with 220 cfm airflow. It is ideal for space up to 7,500 square feet. Multiple applications. This industrial dehumidifier is 24.3 x 14.2 x 15 inches, weighs 59 pounds or 26.9 kilograms, with 8.2 feet or 2.5 meter, power cord, 6-inch or 150 mm, air duct collar diameter. It is capable of working in various conditions including industrial warehouse, commercial office, house attic, basement, bathroom, garage, large or small spaces. Built-in functions. This crawl space dehumidifier is equipped with the newly designed built-in water pump that can drain up to 16.4 feet or 5 meter, in addition to the updated control panel with humidity level setting. Timer and gravity drain, 6.56 feet drain hose, functions to allow this tankless dehumidifier to offer the set and forget work mode. Add-on features. This smart whole house dehumidifiers for home is ideal for extended duration remote operations thanks to its various safety features including auto defrost, auto drain, and screen lock functions to prevent possible ice frost buildup, water overflow, and control panel mispress. Sustainability and compliance. This energy-efficient dehumidifier is ENERGY STAR certified and TUV compliant. Our ENERGY STAR dehumidifier is designed for sustainability and durability that ensures peak performance and capacity while conserving energy. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.